I've just been watching video I just published. I'm fucking drunk, man. I'm not that drunk. To be honest, I could drive a car. I only drank whatever's not left in that bottle. So I'm telling you. Yeah. What's the name of the African American accent? It's not aubergine, is it? Or is it a type of fucking eggplant? Or an eggplant in French? There is some kind of phrasing. I hung out with this fucking cool dude in Hollywood when I went to Los Angeles. He was a chef and he went to 5-star places where celebrities hung out. Fucking amazing dude. I love him. Chad, his name was. Anyway, he told me the name of this fucking, differentiating between, Barack Obama, who has a perfectly white man's accent, and then the whole, what the fuck's it called? Black man's accent. African American accent. I'm gonna just type it in here. African. Hey, I didn't fucking miss letters of the alphabet. I don't have it right. Man's. African American accent. Ebonics. Ebonics. That's what he said it's called. Anyway. Irrelevant. I'm just comparing Ebonics with my drunk man fucking phrasing. It would be nice to invent a new fucking phraseology though. Though I just coined that phrase in my phraseology. Look that up. If that doesn't exist, I'm the one who made it up. And if it exists in the future, I'm the godfather of that shit. So, in the previous video, I was talking about preparing for an audition that I was going to do. I did that shit. Like, basically what happens these days is actors have to fucking self-tape at home. This entire room here, you see that thing up there? That hole in the ceiling? That is going to be the source of my power, right? That is going to have sockets. And look at this. Roscoe Digicomp HD paint. I'm going to paint these walls fucking green. Permanent green. I'm wondering if I should build a little curve in that little corner over there, that little fucking corner, so I don't have any shadows whatsoever. And I've just been spending the night looking on Amazon and other places around the internet for places I can buy bars, lighting bars. I don't know the right words. That's the fucking problem with Google. You never know what to write to get the right result, right? Because I said the word right like 4 times then. Anyway, if you write, fucking shut up. If you write into Google that you're looking for a lighting bar, it'll give you fucking home lighting solutions for home, right? And then, fuck off. And then, the only reason I'm doing this video at all is to introduce you to my fucking audition tape that I just did. Anyway, if you're looking for a lighting bar solution, right? Shut the fuck up. If you want a bar across there and a bar across there, what do you write into Google to get the lighting solution that you need so that you have theatrical bars across the ceiling so you can clamp things to it So you can have the green screen lighting, you can have a microphone, you can have a camera. You'd have to deal with tripods. Basically, an anti-tripod solution. You should probably do that in the fucking bathroom. Thanks for that. I want it all the way around here because I don't give a fuck about hair fucking shit videos. I care more about acting videos, okay? And I don't have to do everything in front of a fucking shitty backdrop. City backdrop. A city backdrop. A city backdrop. Maybe I should get a city mural painted on this wall. No. A shitty backdrop. I don't want any shitty backdrops. I want green screen so I can just fucking change it and do some home fucking web. What do you call it? Web series. Yeah, I'll do a web series. I'll do a fucking comedy web series where I'm playing multiple characters. I'll call it, I don't know what I'll call it. Anyway, I'll invent it and I'll make it and I'll fucking have fun doing it and entertain people. And I'll make fun of the system. Alright. So this is my audition from what the fuck I was talking about when I looked like that dude. Nice work, Sarah. Debbie, move down the field, please. Come on. Oh, nice mark, Katie. Nice mark. Good work. Yeah, no, she joined last year. She's great. All right. No, you did well, It's a good try. You tried your best. Hey, you did a great job out there. You did really well. Your mum was totally raving about you. And your dad, he just couldn't stop screaming. No, anyone could have missed that, really, really. I mean, it was a great mark, though. That was probably the mark of the year, okay? So don't feel bad about missing that. It's fantastic. And next week, we'll do even better. Who are we up against next week? That's right. Okay. So, can I get changed? And yeah, I'll see you on Friday. Nice work.